Hey guys, just wanted to do a quick review on the Body Glide Foot Glide. I'm a huge fan of this stuff. It comes in a little like deodorant style stick, and it's actually just under an ounce. And so this is what it looks like. And then to get out more, it's just like deodorant. You twist this and it'll bring this up. This is good for anywhere on your foot that there's potential rubbing. If you know a blister might be coming, carry this in your car, your purse, whatever it takes. I've used this so many times and it's saved me from getting a blister. I've used it without socks, with socks, different types of shoes, basically any friction point around your toes, your heel, your ankle, the ball of your foot. Put this on there. It doesn't have any odor to it. And it doesn't come off greasy. It just comes off really smooth. Put a little bit on my hand. You can see that there's no real, it's a little bit shiny, but it just gives you that extra glide that you need so that you don't get a blister. So yeah, overall, this is probably the third tube that my family's gone through, and it's saved us numerous amounts of time. So I highly recommend it. Give it a shot. You won't be disappointed.